We all have problems with Wi-Fi, but a lot of the times, the problem is just a matter of coverage and range. If you feel you're a bit far away from your main source of Wi-Fi, usually your router, most people check the Wi-Fi icon on their phone to see if they get full bars. It turns out that a lot of companies cheat with this icon and show you full bars even though it's not actually correct. A fairly good way to check if your phone has good signal is to swipe down on your notification area, swipe down again, and tap and hold the Wi-Fi icon. This will get you to the Wi-Fi settings screen. Now tap on the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to and scroll down to where it says Transmit Link Speed and Receive Link Speed. Some phones combine those into simply link speed. The unit here is Mbps or megabits per second. Don't worry about the unit. Just look at the numbers. If any number there is too low, maybe under 30, that means the signal may be low for the internet to function properly. The usual numbers for a good signal range around 70 and up. If you want to boost the coverage of your Wi-Fi router, some people use range extenders, also called repeaters. These repeaters work fine in terms of extending the coverage of Wi-Fi, but they affect the speed of your internet quite a lot. Instead, see if you can wire up an access point. The difference between the two is that the repeater takes the internet via Wi-Fi and then transmits it back via Wi-Fi as well. The access point gets its internet via a cable connection, also called Ethernet, and then transmits it back as Wi-Fi. The access point can extend your Wi-Fi coverage without affecting your internet speed at all. Enjoy!